Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, special welcome to you. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how to share a chat in ChatGPT. So once you're in ChatGPT, there's two ways to quickly share the text that you want to. So the first way is to simply click the share on the upper right hand side right beside your profile, and you will have the pop-up here where you can create the link to share the document. Then another way is by simply clicking the three dots for the chat on the left hand side. So you will see it, you click on share, and that's going to give you the pop-up as well. And from here you can simply create the link, and this is going to create a link that you can easily share. You can also share this with LinkedIn, Facebook, Reddit, and Twitter if you so desire. But that's it. You can go ahead and you can share the link. Let me open it in a new window so you can see. But this is my shareable link that I've created to share this chat within ChatGPT. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.